Hey Dekoni fans! Today we're going to show you how to install your ear pads for the Fostex TH900. The stock pads are mounted on a ring that clips into the headphone. To start, you can remove the stock pads by gently stretching them over and away from the ring, then remove the ring by twisting it counterclockwise until it comes free. Next, grab your new ear pads by Dekoni Audio. Take the rings that you've removed from the ear cups and insert them into the back of our pad. The lip of our pad will stretch, so don't be worried about stretching or tearing the pad. Once you have the clip in the pad, align the clip with the holes in the ear cup. Gently press down and then twist clockwise to lock it into place. Our pads are angled, so to ensure they're facing forward, look for the stitching on the side of our pad and line it up towards the front of the headphone. Then repeat the process once more for the other side. And you're now ready to enjoy the enhanced listening experience of your new Dekoni Audio earpads.